Pet owners will do almost anything to help a stressed out dog or a crying cat. You see a viral video of a plush yellow duck. It claims to vibrate or use special technology to soothe pet anxiety instantly. It looks like the perfect gift for your furry best friend. You are ready to click buy. But before you enter those credit card details, we need to look closer at the BioVet site offering this Quacko calming duck toy. This specific product is currently raising massive red flags across the internet. I started digging into the legitimacy of this shop. The findings were pretty alarming. The overall trust score for this platform is incredibly low. That should be your first major warning sign. When a store claims to have a miracle solution for pet stress but has no digital footprint, you have to be suspicious. I looked into the technical side of the website. The hosting information is buried. The people behind the site are hiding their identities. Usually, a real pet supply company wants you to know who they are. They want to build a brand. This site feels like a temporary setup. It lacks the standard security protocols we expect today. You might see their ads on your social media feed. They use high-energy clips of happy pets. They use music and bright colors to get your attention. But the reality is often very different. This appears to be a classic example of a suspicious online storefront. These sites often use hidden content to trick search engines. They pretend to be popular when they are actually brand new. I checked for customer reviews outside of their own page. There is almost nothing to find. Genuine products have people talking. They have photos from real buyers. They have a presence on pet forums. This calming duck is a ghost. It is marketed as a lifesaver for anxious pets. Yet nobody seems to actually have one. Why would a legitimate business hide its history? Why is the technical data so obscured? These are the questions that protect your wallet. Scammers love to target pet lovers. They know we act on emotion. They create a fake sense of urgency. They tell you there are only 5 ducks left in stock. They show you a ticking clock. Do not let those tactics rush you. Those timers are almost always fake. They are designed to stop you from doing a basic search. I strongly recommend doing your own manual research before spending a single cent. Check independent review sites. Look at the shipping policies. If the return address is non-existent, stay away. Protecting your personal information is the priority here. Many of these sites are just looking for data. They want your email. They want your banking info. Once they have that, the real nightmare starts. Keep your skepticism high. A plush duck seems harmless, but a shady website can cause a lot of damage. Your pet deserves a toy that is safe and real. You deserve a shopping experience that is honest. Do not let a clever ad lead you into a trap. Always verify the seller before you commit. It takes just a few minutes of searching to avoid a huge headache later. Trust your gut. If a deal feels too good to be true, it almost certainly is. The internet is flooded with these pop-up shops right now. They target vulnerable pet owners who just want peace and quiet. The emotional bond we have with our animals is powerful. Scammers are experts at using that bond against us. This duck toy is a perfect example of a product that sounds too perfect. Stay alert and stay safe out there. Do not give your money to a site that refuses to be transparent about its location or its owners. Your pets rely on you to make good choices for their health and your home safety. A little bit of extra caution goes a long way in the digital world. Make sure you are buying from a name you can actually verify.